Hello, beautiful people. It's the new moon, and welcome to the Tarot for the Soul. I'm a healer, a coach, a therapist, and a tarot consultant. We've created this collective space where each week I connect with the wisdom of the tarot and open up a portal trying to seek guidance from the universal mind that can help us go through the week in a manner that is most aligned for us. So let's try and see what is the new moon bringing in for us. We align our portals to the movement of the moon because what's happening to the moon is also happening within us. The moon is symbolic of our mind, our emotions, our psyche, and our subconscious. The tool of the tarot is a science of symbology, and these symbols connect to the innermost core of our subconscious mind. So, connecting with the subconscious, bringing more awareness to it, we are able to go through the week in a manner that is more aligned, where we are operating from a place of self empowerment, connecting with the light, rather than going through the week unconsciously. So let's see what the new moon has in store for us. It's a great time for good beginnings, as we've been seeing that we are really leaving back some deep rooted patterns, closing some big loops. This is a very powerful new moon, and let us see what is the message that Spirit has for us this week. Spirit, please show us. This week is going to be productive if we can choose to work on our heart center. What I am seeing is that the major focus for this particular week is going to be how we choose to go through each and every day, staying connected to our heart center. There is going to be a dance of the mind and the heart at all points in time, and we have a very clear guidance that we have to choose from the innermost core of our being. And if we can really choose to implement whatever self love that we've been practicing in the past, this is going to be a week where we will have to work towards our relationship with others, not so much as our relationship with ourselves. So, this week is going to be an opportunity for us to stay connected to that heart centeredness. So, even if we have to bring in certain boundaries with people in our relationships, with people in the workplace, can we really look at bringing in those boundaries with love so that the boundaries help us function, but help us function better because we care to engage with people? And that is the sort of heart centeredness or the heart energy that is going to be at play. It's really going to help if we can really do some forms of meditation that helps us to expand our heart energy. Whenever you start your day, can you take a couple of deep silent moments to just simply connect with your heart, focusing on your breath? If you can connect with your heart and then start your day from that place of heart centeredness, it is going to be available for you throughout the day to keep coming back to that stillness, to keep coming back to the deeper wisdom that the heart intelligence always provides us. Also, I'm seeing that this is going to be a week of new beginnings. And this doesn't surprise me because we are opening this portal for the new moon. And the new moon is significant of sowing seeds and starting something afresh. And the card that we are seeing here is showing us a brand new start. It's a brand new thought process. So it could be a new approach in relationships, it could be a new project, or it could be a new aspect about our own life that we want to bring in creation. We are going to be exploring the cores of our being, the cores of our heart, and we are going to be starting afresh. So, possibly, I'm also getting the message that this is going to be a week where you will be pleasantly surprised by your own potential, by your own ability, by your ability to act and engage differently in relationships. And this particular new beginning is a beginning which will help you feel more empowered. Possibly in the past, the way we've been operating, we could have been operating from a place where we give away our power to other people, or we give away our power to surroundings or situations. That means there are certain self sabotaging behaviors which have become part of our own being, and we've been operating from autopilot. And as we've seen the last activations, a couple of activations have been focused around closing such deep cycles, right? And now that you have a better understanding of who you are as a person, what aligns to you, now you know that in a given situation, how is it that you can really conduct yourself so that you still feel very stable. Given the uncertainty around, it is very important that you choose to navigate through the situations with self leadership. And self leadership only comes with self realization, it comes with the understanding of the self. And now, when you choose to operate from this newness within your heart, you will realize that you still have power in those particular situations. And this power is the power to go through things with surrender, not to go through things with control. And even if it means that you have to really stand up for yourself, voice out your truth, you will choose to do it very objectively. You will choose to do it coming from a place of unconditional love and compassion. And thereby, you will really get to know what your own core strengths are. And then, when you navigate through that personal strength, you will be creating abundance for yourself because you are going to be operating from that place of objectivity, from that place of neutrality. And when you are able to do that, you are able to bring in more supportive energies in your own physical reality. Thus, this is the week of some new ideas of how you need to place yourself in relationships, how you need to pace yourself in relationships, how you need to really embrace the heart intelligence, or the intelligence that your heart has been giving you in a new fashion. And when you do that, it is going to allow you to go through it feeling more empowered, and empowered internally, not externally. Thus, it's going to be a good week, a very successful week, and a week of expansion, and a week of a lot of strength. I'll see you around next week. Till then, Shabba Khair.